National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, central Broomfield County in northeastern Colorado, southeastern Larimer County, eastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Erie, or 23 miles north of Denver, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Longmont, southern Loveland, northeastern Broomfield, Lafayette, Louisville, Erie, Firestone, Johnstown, Frederick, Berthoud, Tacoma, Meade, and Niwot. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch 117 in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 5 counties in northeast Colorado: Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Weld. This includes the cities of Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Julesburg, and Sterling. Primary threats include scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter. Possible scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour. Possible summary: thunderstorms will continue to intensify over east central Colorado, Wyoming, and spread northeastward across the watch area this afternoon and evening. The strongest cells will pose a risk of large hail and damaging wind gusts. The severe thunderstorm watch area is approximately along and 60 statute miles east and west of a line from 60 miles southwest of Sidney, Nebraska to 105 miles northwest of Rapid City, South Dakota. For a complete depiction of the watch, see the associated watch outline update, WOUS 64K WNSW 7. Precautionary preparedness actions. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.